In this video, I am going to show you how to crop a video on the 123apps.com website. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Then click on the trim video button in the video tools section. Then click on open file and select the video you would like to edit. Click on upload. After that, you should tap on the second button, crop, at the top. Here you can choose from these preset ratios down below. Here is the original one. You have the this one, and you have basically 4 or 5 preset options, but you can also customize it by typing in the ratio here at this section, or you can also click and hold the handles and drag the edges of the clip until you you achieve the desired shot. Here you can find these white squares, so just simply tap on the relevant one and adjust it how you would like to do it. It's basically up to you. And if you are done, click on the save button down below in the right side corner, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.